the time has finally arrived. I'm on my way to Gurudongmar right now. People say that the checkpost doesn't open before 7 am. Let's see. It's quite cold here and I've got a lot of thermal liners, jackets and stuffs, so not feeling that much cold as of now. Incident happened with me yesterday. While I was looking for the hotel, I went to a wrong address and the road there was a bit steep and full of stones. My rear tire slipped and I fell down. Although I wasn't injured, but the left foot peg of my bike broke. So right now you can say that I am riding with only one foot peg. It's manageable, not that much difficult. Let's hope when the off-road at Gurudongmar start, I won't face any such issue. The reason for which I started early is that I won't be speeding up. I will be going slow, very slow, I mean as slow as possible. कहाँ से जाना है बे? I guess वहाँ से ही होगा. I met another solo rider and we thought that we should be riding together. Amazing, man, just amazing. The majestic snow-clad peaks of the Himalayas. Pretty soon I'll be riding up there, much closer to that peak. The permit related formalities are done from Thangu. Right now, only one destination lies ahead. That's Gurudongmar. As of now, I'm not facing any hill problem. Bike is also fine. Although foot peg is missing, still I'm managing to ride it quite well. Let's see what lies ahead. Finally ends and I also cross 15,000 cafe, the last checkpoint where they collect your permits. Now Gurudongmar, 2,000 foot only to go. So finally, Gurudongmar is like 500 meters from here to go that way. And just see the view. I'll show you more. Let's go up. So people say that this road is the toughest of all, and you have to cover in just one stretch. Let's see. First gear. Chalo. Ladies and gentlemen, finally I give you Gurudongmar. The last part was a hell lot tricky, but Thanos, you did it. We did it. Solo ride to Gurudongmar kind of feels like a dream come true. I'll get down now, take some panoramic shots, and then after some time maybe get back. So that's it then. Gurudongmar finally done. I'm a few kilometers away from Lachen, so I'll go back to my hotel, pick up my saddlebags and start for Lachen. So the chapter of Lachen is done. Now I'm going to Lachung. It's around 60-65 kilometers from here. Right now it's 1:48, and let's see when I reach. कल एक्चुअली यहाँ से आने में बहुत फटा था, बट आज आफ्टर गुरुदोंगमार नहीं, टफ है जैसे अभी आपने देखा, बट मैनेजेबल।